Hi, if you want to switch from buttons navigation to gestures on the Honor Magic 7 Lite, then just open Settings on the phone and here scroll down to find the step System and Updates. And after that, in this menu, pick System Navigation. And as you can see, in my case, buttons are enabled. Also, I can tap Settings and change combination, for example, to this one. Just take a look how it changes. But if you wanna switch from buttons to gestures, then simply tap on gestures. And you can also learn this tutorial. So let's tap start. Now we need to swipe inward from the left edge to go back, like that. Swipe from the right edge to go back as well. Now to return to home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to view recent tasks, just like that. And you can also tap Settings. Here you'll see this tutorial as well, and you can enable to show navigation bar. So after that, this line will appear on the bottom of the screen. You can also enable to slide across bottom to switch apps, just like this. You can enable Google Assistant to swipe up from the bottom corners to access Google Assistant, like that. And you can also try out gestures. So just tap here and always complete tutorial. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.